Hi, I'm Luiza, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a gnome out of air dry clay. I'm using dust clay, but you can use whatever clay you have available or whatever is your favorite. The first step in any clay project is to condition the clay. After we condition it, we're going to give it a cone shape. And now I'm just going to twist the top a bit, just to give it that floppy hat look. For the details I'm going to use some colored clay, just so it's a bit more visible. But I'm doing this only so you guys can see better, so you can use just exactly the same clay as you used for the body. Because after it's dried we're going to paint it, so it won't matter. With a string of clay we're going to make the border of the hat. In order for the clay to stick together, we have to make some small incisions on both sides that we're going to glue together. I want a smoother transition on the top, so I'm just using a clay tool to make this happen. If you want to smooth out the clay, you can just use your finger. Where the nose is going to be placed, I want to create a small hole, just so that the nose won't be that out of place. This way the nose is going to sit like in a little nest. Using a pointy tool, we're going to carve out the beard. You don't need any kind of tools for this part, you can just use a toothpick or even a paper clip. To decorate the hat with some 3D flowers, so I thought it was the perfect moment to try out my new flower mold. And this is how our gnome looks after 2 days of drying. Since it's a big chunk of clay, you'll want to make sure that it dries out completely before you start painting it. I'm painting the gnome with some leftover acrylic paint from a paint by numbers kit. If you enjoy these kind of videos, I hope you consider subscribing so you don't miss any of my next crafts. If you want to give it some extra shine, after the paint is completely dried, you can come in with a layer of Mod Podge or some similar varnish. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, like the video, and maybe even leave a comment. See you on the next one. Bye!